Hey guys, hey YouTube. Today I'll be talking about how to download Pokemon Xenoverse on your computer. So let's begin by opening up your web browser. Now you need to go to WeWillTeam.com. Now on this website you can scroll down and wait for it. You have to wait for it to load, and the download will come up, which is right here, and it's English and Italian. Okay. Once you're done, you'll get a .msi file, which will download the launch. I already have it installed, so I want to install it again. So once you close that, you're gonna open up this after your MSI has done downloading this launcher. And once you have the launcher installed, you pretty much are pretty set for it. You know, it will take a lot. I don't know exactly how much storage it will take, but I'm thinking about roughly 1 gigabyte, which is completely okay. Now, version 1, this is version 1.1.15, which is the latest version, and you'll basically have to wait till it downloaded. For me, it took 10 minutes or something. No, it was like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Basically, like really small time. And if you're wondering, the new engine is for like a newer engine, so if you have a low end PC, recommend that you just keep it on off. But if your PC is quite good, you can use the new engine. So once you've done that, you can open up Pokemon Xenoverse. Now, Pokemon Xenoverse, first thing you see when you open the game is a choice of a language: Italian or English. For this, you might as well pick English if you're watching this. If you do not speak English or Italian, then I don't know why you're watching this video. No, if you don't speak English. So once you open up the game, you can get your settings, battle scene, all your stuff, and you're pretty much set. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next one.